All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. We are Two Tails TCG. We're back at it again here at Twin Oaks at the Lloyd Center in Portland, Oregon. We got a lot of new inventory, actually, some new slabs, some new singles, a little bit of a different setup. You'll probably see it a little bit in the intro. But either way, it's about 9 o'clock now. Should be getting started soon, so we'll see you later. All right, little early morning deal with our friend Kat over at is it Galaxy Princess? What's your TCG one?
Milky Way TCG.
Milky Way TCG. We're sending out White Flare ETB, Black Bolt ETB, and the new Victini poster collection. Awesome, Kat. Thank you so much. Yeah, exactly. It makes it easy. $10. Want to do $8? Cool. Ryan's back again, picking up some singles from us for $8. Marlo, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Got a few singles going out to our Pokemon players. They're building decks, so we got a few things to help bling out their stuff and finish some collections for the Radiant collection. Evan, there you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Got some singles. $4. Got a few singles going out for $4. There you are. Thank you so much. A couple singles going out. We got Lily and Appleton. There you go. Thank you so much. I think my girlfriend would like to say hello.
Oh, you're swimming. Hello.
Aw. It's a singles kind of day. We got more singles going out. Some baby shiny. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You want that one? All right.
Mimikyu.
Mimikyu, go home.
Cute little Mimikyu keychain, or this one's a necklace actually that Talia makes, going out for $5. Oh my God, look at the little Mimikyu. We'll zoom in on that. More singles from Black and White. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Call it 15. Cool. We got a bunch of singles going out, helping them master set Black and White. God bless. Matthew. There you go, sir.
Awesome.
Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
I was looking in the wrong spot. I looked at your Sprigatito.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's pretty clean. I'll take it.
Sprigatito going home? Cool.
Yeah.
I love Sprigatito. I have the whole line. I got a Sprigatito page and everything.
I had it, and then my ex took it.
No,
So-
what? Time to reclaim.
Exactly. So like, all right, now I need to reclaim that one.
You thinking about anything else?
Let me see.
No worries, yeah. Okay, Flake Coco.
I like the
The starter
Blood
line?
Heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the Ursa Luna, but it's a little outside of what I can afford to do. I have to wait until front row card show in December where I have
That's fair.
build back up my
Yep,
money.
I feel that.
Yeah, I'll take him too.
Okay,
40
that's
on
good.
both of them.
40 cash?
Yeah.
Absolutely, let's do it.
Save myself $1.
Couple starter singles going out. Sprigatito and Flake Coco for 40. 20, 40, there you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. Yep. It's a singles kind of day. More singles going out for $6 and a coin, looks like.
Mental math is not my strong suit.
Where are we at here? 10, 16, 21, 31, $30. Cool.
My brain stopped working.
It's a single type of day, as I keep saying. A few more singles going out. Some from Destined Rivals. We got the Rotom, Team Rocket's Spite Ops, Arvis of Bostif, and the Weezing for $30. There you go. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. What up, Kenny? Good to see you.
What was your name again?
Carlos.
Carlos. That's
Yeah. How's that Celebrations Pikachu treating you? The birthday one. It's going up, man.
Dude, it is.
Going up,
I
man.
was like shocked.
All the celebrations going up now.
Yeah.
Like a pickup.
I was looking at it and I was like, holy shit. Yeah, I have it in the closet with all my other stuff.
Appreciating slowly.
And I have like this little mini Pikachu figurine eating ice cream right next to it.
That's sick.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I'll see you around.
Yeah. Good to see you, man. You gonna go to PokeFest next week?
That's the one on August 9th, right?
Yeah, same place, I think.
Yeah, I'll be there.
See you there. can do those for the Silver Tempest. It would be 65 on top. You want to do that? Okay. We're doing a little trade. We're taking in some singles here. A little bit of everything, modern-wise. We're getting those plus 65 on top for Silver Tempest ETB. There you are. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. Found a Scizor. Cool. Oh gosh. Not the case. Scizor VMAX going out. $3. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
How's it going, guys?
Doing well.
You good?
I'm interested in the stained passports. Can
For
I
sure.
look?
Yeah. I also have it in a 10 if you're interested.
Uh,
That one's really high right now, though.
In another.
In another world, another.
Let's do it.
You gonna take it? All right.
Venmo work?
Venmo absolutely
I
works.
see it.
We got our stained glass birds going out. Sealed.
It's a hot card.
It is very hot.
From Julian?
Julian,
Alrighty.
there you are. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Perfect.
Go 60?
Yeah.
Cool. We got the Celebration Umbreon going out. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Good to see you, Matt. How are you doing? Hi, Lily. Good, good. How you guys been? Talia went to the bathroom. She should be here in a bit. Oh, you guys say hi? Okay. You still one of those monkey dories, yeah?
Yes.
All right. So let's see. Is it just the monkey dories in the Clefairy then? Cool. I said I would do 25, so 58. Good with you? Matt's coming by, picking up our monkey dories, and Lily's Clefairy EX for 58. Nothing immediately catches my eye, but depending on what you would want, I could maybe take a few in. Yep. That's a great? Okay.
Is it 7?
$7, yeah. Cool. Have I show the camera real quick? Cool, cool. Excuse me, guys. Just gonna grab a snap out of here real quick. So we're doing a little trade. Talia's Tatsuguri that didn't get a 10 in the case. A 9 going out for a few singles. Got the Kyurem, Metagross, Arceus, and Nessa, and $7. There you go. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
I've been eyeing these.
The connecting art.
Yeah.
Somebody wanted to buy the one. I was like, no, don't break it up, because someone's gonna want both. We're chilling. There you go.
Want to take a thing for the wood?
Let's do a thing. Ryan's coming by, doing a thing, picking up a tin from us.
Always doing a thing.
Always doing a thing.
Thank you.
Thank you, my man. Appreciate you. Yeah, you guys have a good one. Take care. Looking to trade or something, man?
Yeah, I'm looking for that melodic right there.
Yep, it's a pretty one. I love that
I got
one.
a lot of like $15-ish, $15, $20-ish cards
Okay.
if you want to do that, or if you're looking for more like a one-to-one.
Well, we typically do trades. Doesn't matter how many cards, but like since it's a lot, it would be lower on the percentage probably, and it depends what they are because we have a lot of singles too. But I can take a look.
You said 65
Yep,
for those.
it would be these coming in, and then 65 cash, and you get the melodic. Our friend coming in here, grabbing our melodic from Sturdy Spark. Such a great card. I really love this art. And in return, we are getting a few singles. The Drowsy, the Timber, the Clobbopus, and the Alolan Dug Trio. This card's so funny. And 65 on top. There you are, sir.
Sweet.
Appreciate
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. You have a good one.
Awesome.
Just this? More Pecco for a buck going out. Just grabbing the necklace, right? Or the keychain.
Dude, I'm like on the floor. And we're covered in syrup.
Boom, Blake. Thank you, Blake. Appreciate it. You too.
We're doing a trade here. We're taking in some of the Pokeballs from the newest set, and we have these fun things going out. Some EXs and our Professor's Research.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah. We got more singles going out. $10.
Oh, I sure do. There you go.
And there you are.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
How are we feeling?
Can I do the swimming waters in the prismatic?
Prismatic ETB? Sounds good. Sending out a bunch of sealed here. We got Blooming Waters going out. A couple packs. And another Prismatic ETB. And looks like your receipt already sent. Thank you so much.
Sweet.
Appreciate
Well,
it.
thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Good luck, guys.
Hey, happy birthday to me again. It was my
Oh my God.
It was my birthday.
Did you buy that?
yesterday. I bought both of these
Uh-huh.
yesterday and pulled this yesterday.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You're going to be hooked on this set forever now.
Oh, I know.
It's like you're up forever, basically.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So thank you. So I was like, do I trade it or do I? I'm gonna grade it.
Oh yeah? Is it looking good on
It's
that one?
pretty.
Might as well, even if it comes back a 9, it's like, you know, at least protected and treasured.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Awesome. You guys have a good one.
That's a two.
How's it going?
It's going well. How are you doing?
Good. Welcome back, I think, maybe.
Yeah, actually, I do have a twin brother.
Okay. What the heck?
Yeah, he's like, I think he has a blue shirt on. Yeah, so I'm sure he was probably over here.
Zard. Thank you, DJ. Appreciate you. Oh, we gotta show the camera. You gotta be. If you're gonna buy stuff, TJ, you gotta be in the content. Zard going out for $10 for our boy TJ.
We're forcing our friend.
Those cameras are cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little like
They have, like,
what do
the
they call
gimbal
it? The
things.
gimbal. That's what it is. Yeah.
Not live streaming to that point yet.
Can do 40 flat. For all that, yeah. Assuming this is only the 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an older card, that's why it's more.
Everyone is picking up a ton of singles today. We got the connecting art, a couple singles for $40 cash. Annie, there you go. Thank you again. Appreciate you guys. Anything in particular you're looking for?
Yeah, I didn't get that one.
Which one? Tag team?
No, yeah, tag team. Sorry.
It's a little LP, I think. Last I remember. There you go.
Yeah, my stepdaughter collects these.
Tag teams specifically, or Venusaurs and Snivy? Or Snivy, however you pronounce it.
Oh, the Yamori cards.
Oh, the artist? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, she's got anything she sees, she just grabs it. Just because they don't make them.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
yeah.
I had no idea about that. That's cool. We got a new home for our tag team Venusaur here. Going out. This one is pretty cool. You said the artist no longer is making the cards?
Yeah,
Or, oh.
So the artwork is based on it's like a live play model.
Oh my God, really?
So that's why they all have that sort of
Like clay looking, like, yeah, okay, huh.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. You guys might be onto something. This could be gold soon. I mean, Pokemon cards are already kind of gold. There we go. Dane?
Cool.
There you go. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, we're buying some Slavi patties, just some 9s, a 10 Zard, and this Ditto Pikachu, just because it's kind of cool for 210 cash. There you go, man. Appreciate it. You have a good one. Got some singles going out. A lot of singles today. I keep saying it. There you go, man. Thank you. Got a little trade, straight trade coming in. Trading out one of the gold gods. RCS V-Star, always popular. Can never hold on to these too long. And we're taking in a few cards, a bunch of modern, for our gold star. Thanks so much. Or not gold star, but gold card. Appreciate it, man.
What's your name? Adriana. I'm feeling this. All right, so Adriana came by earlier with her dad, and they bought a Labubu. And she pulled the secret rare Labubu
First try.
on the first try. That is awesome. Are you naming him?
What is this?
What is it? Duo is the name he comes with? I think he needs a better name.
I don't know.
You'll think about it.
I don't know. Yeah, I'll think about it.
You don't need to tell her better, dude. Let her choose the name.
I'll think about it.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, sure.
It's so cool.
I'm so excited.
Keep him safe. What's up, dude? Good to see you again. Welcome. If you want, man, feel free to grab like a $5 or $10 card out of there as a gift return for the Lapras thing, dude. Yeah, dude. I think it was pretty cool. Yeah. Or a little bit of everything, even, you know. Our friend, what's your name, by the way? Brendan. Brendan came by again. He gave us a gift last time. I don't know if you saw it on the video, a little Lapras dog tag. So we're just giving a couple singles to return the favor. There you go. Thank you again, Brendan. Appreciate it, man. Yeah. You want to do those? Yes, sir. All right. Brendan, right? Brendan coming in with a little trade. We're taking in the Stellar Crown ETB. We don't got any of these, so pretty cool. We're setting out Lucario V-Star under 9, Greninja Gold Star Celebrations, sealed for it, and Giovanni's Exile. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Yeah. All right, we are wrapping things up here at Twin Oaks. It's about 4:30, a little bit later this time, but we had a lot of last-minute customers swing by. So thank you for watching. Next week, we're going to be at a different area. We're going to be at PokeFest, still in the Portland area, but different show, different people hosting it. So hopefully that goes well. It's going to be 2 days, so we might have 2 videos or one really long video, not sure. But either way, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.